Lifestyle tutorials. Our tutorial today is educating the public how to withdraw this available balance. We'll be withdrawing it via M-PESA. M-PESA is a mobile payment service. It's telling us welcome to PayPal M-PESA mobile service with M-PESA. Finally, in Kenya, you can move now funds between PayPal and M-PESA. The two platforms, PayPal and Safaricom, have integrated through collaboration of Dunes. We can see here powered by Dunes. So we will come here and once we log in, we will come and withdraw from PayPal. Then once we say withdraw from PayPal, we will click, we will withdraw. We'll first come and calculate. We will check the how much $1 is going for. We'll say continue to withdraw. It will tell us that $1 is going at 105. So now we'll go back. We'll go back and we'll be withdrawing $99. We'll say continue to withdraw. $99 one going at 105. It becomes 10,400. We'll click. Your transaction will be processed in a minute. We'll be able to click confirm, and I'm sure in your transaction will be processed in a minute. Your withdrawal has been successfully within minutes. You will receive an SMS notification, and when we go back to the home page, when we refresh the browser, we'll see surely $99 has been withdrawn from the PayPal. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. Ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Share, like, and comment. We can see the transaction has been successful.